Weekly cleaning is recommended to keep your Honeywell top-fill warm mist humidifier running efficiently. Warm mist humidifiers can develop heavy mineral deposits on the heating element, also known as scale. This is common in hard water areas where more frequent cleaning may be required. Before cleaning, turn off, unplug, and wait 20 minutes for the humidifier to cool before cleaning. All maintenance should be done in the kitchen or bathroom on a water-resistant surface near a faucet. Remove the top cover to access the removable components. Empty the water tank by pouring from the left side where the arrow indicates. Twist the mist chimney to the left, then pull straight up to remove. To remove the heating element cover, grasp the red latch with 2 fingers. Pull toward the front of the humidifier and pull straight up to remove. Grasp the red float tab and pull straight up to remove. These components can be placed in the top rack of a dishwasher or included in the cleaning process below. Next, follow these separate steps for scale removal and disinfecting. Both steps are important and must be performed separately. Pour 3 to 4 cups of undiluted white vinegar into the water tank where it will drain into the boiling chamber and cover the heating element. Let it soak for 20 minutes to loosen the mineral deposits on the heating element. When the heating element is covered in mineral deposits, also known as scale, it is unable to function efficiently and may prevent the humidifier from producing steam. Replace the internal components if not cleaning in a dishwasher. If components were added to soak, remove them for access to the heating element. Wet the bristles of a soft brush with vinegar and gently scrub the heating element to remove mineral deposits, also known as scale. Empty the reservoir by pouring the vinegar from the left side where the arrow indicates. Pour 4 cups of water into the reservoir. Lightly swish and pour out. Repeat until the smell of vinegar is gone. Use gloves while performing the disinfecting process. Add 1/2 teaspoon of bleach to 1/2 gallon of water and pour the solution into the reservoir. Wipe the inside surfaces of the reservoir with the bleach solution. Soak for 20 minutes. Empty the reservoir by pouring the bleach solution out the left side where the arrow indicates. Pour 3 cups of water into the reservoir, lightly swish, and pour out. Repeat until the smell of bleach is gone. To reassemble, replace the water level float by positioning the red tab in the channel guides and push to secure. Attach the mist chimney to the heating element cover and twist to the right to snap in place. Replace the chimney and heating element. Replace the top cover and press firmly to secure. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit honeywellpluggedin.com.